guys, today we are going to cut and wash fish and show you a simple, easy tutorial on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel, so let's get started. So, we're going to be using some kitchen scissors. It's easier to cut your fish. So when you're cutting off the tails and the fins, it's done much quicker and easier. So we're just going to do that to the rest of them. Now we're going to cut off the head of our fish. And now we're just going to take off that inside throat bit and things, because we don't want that. And we're just going to scrape off the scales of the fish. So we're going to wash it so all the blood comes out. Now, so we're going to add some turmeric and salt. This is just to get the smell away and to clean it more. So you're going to rub it around your fish. Going to wash it. Now cutting the fish is up to you. You can leave it as a whole depending on what you're cooking. We're just going to cut into slight pieces about this big. You can cut into any size chunks you want. All depends on what you're doing with it. We'll be doing more fish recipes in the future, in our upcoming videos. And finally, we're just going to wash it one more time. So here we have a simple and easy tutorial on how to cut and wash tilapia fish. Hopefully this comes in handy, so be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below, and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye!